Why most people don't go fishing on cold fronts, because it's really cold out here. It's like 58. This water's freezing. As you can tell, it's pretty windy. Oh god. I'm getting wet now because it's pretty choppy. I need to go over there and try to catch bait because I had 6 pinfish. Oh, 2 dozen shrimp. And my bait bucket flew out of the freaking truck. Oh my god. So now I'm baitless. Woo! Yep, fun's of fishing, right? Hey, I'm so glad I got this Hovey. This Hovey makes this wind so much easier. If I would be paddling right now, I'd probably be already exhausted. Oh, but it is cold. It's like 10-mile-an-hour winds from the northeast, so I don't know. The Weather Channel said 5 to 8 all day long. Nope. It's about 10 to 12 from the northeast right now. So the wind chill probably brings it down to like 50 something. But yeah, going for snook today. Last day of season. It's a lot. Okay, the wind actually is blocked from the bridge, so feels nice right here. I brought a change of clothes because I'm gonna get all wet cast netting and this water is cold. Like let's go put some speed on here. Woo-wee! Wee! Oh yeah. But good thing is, even though I lost my bait bucket with my bait, I've got all day to catch bait, because when you're fishing bridges like this, tide is important. Where it's flowing, how it's flowing. I find that fishing this bridge, it's always best to fish the high tide coming in all the way up and a little bit on the downfall, but once it gets low like this, they stop biting. So I came here perfect timing. It's later in the day, it's like 9:30, because I figured it's gonna be low all morning. So yep, so now I don't have to rush catching bait or anything. I caught a bunch here last week, so I was gonna bring the camera, but I actually accidentally forgot it. So let's see what happens. Guys, don't know if that's a snapper or not. Oh, grouper! I have no idea what kind of grouper that is. That's cool. No idea. Red grouper maybe? It's kind of what it looks like. No? Black grouper? No idea. Oh, the hook just came right out. I don't know. You guys tell me what kind of grouper that is? If you guys can see it. Black grouper maybe? Something like that. It's cool. I'm literally, because with the Hovies you don't need to anchor down. You just pedal right up, fight it right up against the current, you stay at one spot. I love it. Little snook. Whew. I only have little baits, so that's probably why. It is cold out here. Snook number 2. The water is actually kind of warm now. Gag. These fight so hard. Even this little guy fought hard. Hello, gag. It's cold. Barely grabbed the hook. There we go. Ouch. Ah, good. Catching fish now. If my baits are bigger, I'll probably catch bigger fish, but my baits are small. Let's see, it's been pretty quick. Oh. It's been pretty quick. But that one was quick. See if it's quick again. happens. They're always camera shy. Well, I'll get back. Normally I fish just the bridge. This is my first time in this area. But I call this place Bird Island. Because as you can see, I mean look, there's bones, poop all over the leaves. If you come over here, birds' nests everywhere. Hundreds of them. This is where the birds hang out. God, why is it, what kind of bone is this? Gross. I came here to find crabs, but I think the birds would have eaten them all. So yeah. For the day, nice 11-inch snapper. I think there's a bunch of them in there because I've lost a couple fish back there. Like they hit it as soon as they hit the water, so you know that's how the snapper hit. I bet you I'll get another one. Although I did get a really big bite in there. I put a pretty big bait on. So it was either a snook or a small snook or a really big snapper. I'm gonna put a small bait on here real quick, see if they're just all pretty decent size or if there's a lot of small ones in there too. I don't want to use all my big baits in one spot. I got tired of fishing the bridge, so I came to dock fishing. There's nothing biting over by the bridge. I came here. I already got a grouper, little grouper. Two grouper. No, it's just one grouper. Current goes strong through this bridge, this dock too. Watch. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Really want a snook or redfish. The snook season closes tomorrow. Well, that's a little bait, so it's hard to cast, but I'm sure I'll get something right there too. Maybe not. Oh, yep, had a little bite. Backwards. Hurry up and get a bait there. Watch. A little bigger, still a little tiny greenback. Boom. It's gonna be instant. Oh. Like I said, every time I say that when the camera's on, it's never instant. Come on. Oh well. Oh. Oh, well, you saw that. A nice little snook. Oh my god, I just scared a bunch of fish away. I don't know if those are a bunch of little snook or what. Loosen up my drag a little bit. Alright, let's unhook this little dude. He frayed it up bad. Gosh darn it. Don't bite me. Everything hurts your fingers when your hands are cold. Nice little snook. Goodbye, little snook. Now I need one twice the size. A bunch of fish that I scared away. They were all snapper. See if I can. They're oh. My bait doesn't want to go down. He's smart. Oh. Come on, eat it. The snapper, you're getting right up to it. Looks like they're pretty decent size too. The thing is, they're scared of it. They go up to it and the thing twitches and My greenback's just swimming in circles. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh. Now they're getting braver now. That's a little one. There's like 100 of them on there. Oh, 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 oh. Want to eat it? Nope. They're getting close to it now. Jeez. Oh, there's some big ones in there. There we go. Oh, he sinks perfectly. Okay, he's going down now. Come on, snappers. Oh, oh. Oh, I don't see my bait now. Oh, there it is. He's down there. Oh, no. Snapper, this guy might be 10 inches, but he looks pretty small. This thing sucks, but I had no other tape measure to use. Chill. Ow. Jeez. He's on 10. To the fork. Looks like we're gonna keep him. Yep. This one's even a little bigger. Calm down. Measure him up. Eight. Another 11-incher. I mean, at the bridge. If the snappers are biting at the bridge, you get 15 to 16. Oh, this one's big. Oh yeah, that's a 12-incher. Yep. This one doesn't even need to be measured. One more and I'm done. Oh, this bait's dead, but one more and then I'll probably. What the heck is that up there? Oh. Fish some other docks, see if I can find some snook and redfish. Holy cow! You guys on? Yep. I like it all dry dry from the salt water. Salt water and cold air. Whew. Just using my little baits right now because these big snappers, they'll eat. I don't know, it's weird. The little snappers, they don't really eat white baits. So you can throw any size white bait, and the big snappers will usually always eat them. But shrimp, you throw shrimp or crab out there, any size snapper. Oh, I think something's already got it. Ay ay ay, ay ay ay. That was a good hit too. That was weird. I think that's my little fish swimming all the way back. Something hit it. Hey, look, they're pointing. Alright, right here. I'm gonna get it up, my last keeper. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, now I'm just pedaling away. Little snapper, and I thought it was a jack, but it's a big, nice 12-inch, 11-inch snapper. Good. Well, fishing for freaking 5 hours and I limit out in 30 minutes. It's a little frustrating, but I'm happy now. Now all I need is a snook or red. It's the only reason why I'm gonna stay. Little snook, smallest snook of the day. Dink fest. Oh, that water feels warm. They're probably like, they come out of the water, they're probably like, oh jeez, I feel bad for them. No, not really. I don't really feel bad for them, but I bet you they freeze. But I put them right back in real quick, so I'm sure I'd have fun.